Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle. Okay, maybe not. Let's get this over with. What? Not care which character. Surprise! So yeah, you probably don't know what I just did, but if you do, then congratulations. I'm gonna make another video of this on how to iOS or Android on how to get this game configuration, whatever it is. And I'm going to be doing another video on that. But for now, I'm going to show you what it's like and how awesome it is to do this. So yeah. So, it can be Sonic and Tails, or just Sonic, or just Tails, or Knuckles and Tails, which kind of surprised me. So yeah, I don't know what Flight does, I don't know what Air Cap does. I think, oh yeah, because Flight's off in Air Cap, it's like that shield in the air from Sonic 3, so I think that's what that, I don't know. But Flight on for Air Cap off. And then you can just have the normal Sonic things, or this, and that, I don't know. I can pick this. But yeah, it's really cool. No, Knuckles and Tails, yeah. With them. And then, let's go put debug mode on for the heck of it. Alright, debug mode is on. Knuckles and Tails. What the heck just happened? I'm pretty sure, like, hold on. Let's see. Yep. And yep, it's gonna hit. It's gonna be hard to do that though, since Knuckles glides, he's just gonna glide away. But yeah, you can also have Tails get Knuckles. Ah! It's hard to do. Right there. But yeah, isn't that cool? It's like, except for Sonic, it's some Knuckles. Killing Knuckles. This is really cool. It's kind of like something from Sonic Heroes, really. Like game Sonic Heroes. Except, it's just, there's no Sonic, and it's just Knuckles and Tails. I don't know why it's all of a sudden so laggy. It's never this laggy. Probably because the video's going up there. Yeah, it's really laggy. Alright, so I put debug on for a reason, so let's use it. Get some lives. I want some lives. Give me all damn lives. Let's go, Super. Yay. Oh god. This is Zoom 3's axe. Like a walkthrough or something like that. glide to the end. Boo. Hey, why are you gonna turn into Supersonic? Well, not Supersonic, Super Knuckles. Yeah. It's just so laggy. It's never like this. I don't get it. Zoom through these acts. Come on, Tails. Another way to make it faster. I think I have an idea. Is he fast now? Yep. What the? Okay. All of a sudden, this is a wall. Is it a wall to Tails? No. No! Yay. Thank God it's not laggy now. Now it's really not laggy. Look how fast Tails is. No, I'm the one that's slow.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! So Faye, you can just climb up those walls really fast. flew into it. Or glided into it, per se. Now for a secret area. Yay! I got the back button. Yay! Look at Knuckles, he's just flying. Wait, what's happening? What's happening? Okay, Tails. I know what just happened. We fell off a ramp. Tails. We fell off a ramp. Oh, save me! Seriously, Tails? Oh my god. It's hilarious. Oh no! Wait, not that. Oh no! Because that's Knuckles' meme. What he always says. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I just heard spikes. Ah! Wait a second, what? Okay. I don't see why this would be down here, since if you're playing, it's impossible to be like, oh, I'm just gonna jump down here and end all the way over here, unless you're Knuckles or Tails. And if you're Knuckles, then I guess you'll just have to glide over to the other side and get up here. But if you're Sonic, I don't even, because Sonic 2 is, you're mostly supposed to be Sonic, so I don't even see why that would be there. Whatever. Coming up a wall as Knuckles stands no leave anywhere, so I'm just going to cheat by using debug mode, or have Tails fly me up. Yeah, that's a better idea, actually. Come on, Tails, you can do it. Forget me. I'll let you go. Whee! I can just use debug, but seriously, Tails, it would be much easier if you just let it happen the easier way. Anyway, can make him fly. Oh, Tails, let's go. Come on. Maybe up here. You do not need to spin dash. Come on. Dang it, it's so hard because Knuckles always glides. Yes, okay. Come on, let's go. Work actually. Yeah, so you keep flying. Let's save you. Okay, good. The rain boxes help. Alright, now Tails. Do not fall. No! I'm trying to keep you with me, and you just keep falling. Oh my god! You fell down! Into someplace again. Is there any time where you won't keep falling? Ah! Must use rings. Oh no. Ah, no! That was close. Egghead, I will get you. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. Oh no, I oh-no'd you, and then you died. Oh, hello, Tails. Let's go! Yep. It's hilarious how Knuckles has his balancing mode like that. It's hilarious. Ding! Tails just keeps jumping. Huh? Huh? Let's go super! Oh my goodness. I'm so super. There will be a part 2 of this video, since this video is awesome. Or, I could just end it, and then there will be a video where I show you how to get that config thing, the Knuckles and Tails. And, like, I just randomly found that. Like, I didn't go on YouTube or anything, because what happened was, I was in the sound test, because I was just going to have fun with debug mode. And then I just kept pressing 0, like literally, I was bored, like, I messed up the sound test, so I got angry, and I kept pressing 0, and then it just brought me to that, and I was like, okay. Then on YouTube, I was like, huh, has anybody else figured this out yet? I didn't see anything, but if there was something, then I don't know. But that's pretty weird. Never figured that out. Someone probably has. But if they haven't, then I'll be surprised. I'd be really surprised because I never usually find out things that other people don't, you know. So, yeah. I'm gonna make another thing about this. I'm gonna make another video where I show you how to get the config mode. You probably config thing, it's not a mode, but you probably saw how I did all the coding and stuff. Because you already know how to get into that screen where, you know, there's that sound test. You probably saw me just do 0, 0, 0. But if you don't, I'm just going to make another video. Even if you do know, I'm just going to make another video, so yeah. It won't be as soon as I end this video. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. Because I like making videos. Let's end it with us saying goodbye. Tails, say goodbye. Tails. Tails, say goodbye. Okay, fine. I'll just throw myself out of the world. I'll throw myself out of the world if you don't say goodbye. And go ahead, fly down there with me.